If you want to see what I picked up from Lise Watier, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am going to be talking makeup today, and I have a little something from Lise Watier, which is a Canadian brand that I am getting increasingly fond of. If you want to see some of my previous videos on the brand and its products, I will have my previous videos showing up in the corner here for your reference and for your enjoyment, and all of the links to those videos will also be in the description box and possibly more. Let's get into this little box. So I did not make a huge purchase. There was a decent sale. I took advantage of it, but I'm not going to be picking up a bunch of Lise Watier products. They are relatively expensive. They're good quality in my opinion, which is why I'm making a purchase. But I don't have a reason to be buying a ton. So this is just because I was impressed with certain products from last Christmas and like late fall but Christmas holiday sets, and I wanted to get a little bit more. So this is what this is. Let's dig in. So very well packaged. I'm pretty happy about that. All of the products are in here and they were well protected. Let me take out these boxes. So we've got one box here, one box here, and these are a couple from the holidays. A couple more products, and then some samples at the bottom. We'll start off with the samples. This one is a perfume from Lise Watier called Je Suis, which is different from, I think different from the last sample that I had, unless it's the same. If it's the same, I'm not super crazy about this perfume. It's okay, I'll use it, but I wouldn't run out and get it. Assuming it's the same as the one I tried before. Now this one is a sample of the Lift and Firm Y-Zone highly natural, highly firming, high performance 35 plus. I don't like it when there's an age on a product. It could go for anyone of any age, and natural origin actives. Okay, and I won't go over what they are suggesting. They do use boreal spruce resveratrol as an ingredient. Bakuchiol, elderwise, flower, goji, and algae, if that makes a difference to you. I'm going to get rid of the descriptor. You probably heard it hit the floor, and I'm going to put that aside to try as a sample. All right, let's talk about these different products. So this is a Diamond Dreams product, and the Diamond Dreams was the name of the collection from last holiday, and I picked up a second universal gloss from the collection because I quite appreciated the last one, and it has the same design as the palettes from that holiday set. So that is what that is. I won't swatch it because I did swatch it before in a previous video, so I don't want to open up this particular package, as in the component. The next one is a palette I didn't even know existed, and it was on, I think, 30% off on the site, and I thought, yes, please, because I like the colors. I think it's going to go well with my complexion and my eye color. And it's I think it's a 5-pan, and I think that it comes with, yeah, it comes with some eye look options, which I appreciate. The eye looks tend to come with palettes, even if they're small palettes, and that is a really nice touch from the brand. And here is what it looks like. I like the front of it. I think it's called Havana, Viva Havana is what it's called, and it has a total of 10.8 grams of eyeshadow in it. Let's open it up. And it has a plastic protector, which is nice. Keeps the mirror from getting all dirty, and these are very generous pens. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty color story? I mean, it's a very safe color story, but definitely pretty nonetheless. So a total of 6 eyeshadows, and I think it looks really nice. I'm big on the khaki, and I really do like that pink matte, pinky mauve, well, I'm going to say mauvey pink. It's mostly mauve color. So I really like that. You can see, you will be able to see swatches video and a try on for sure, probably combined because it's not very many eyeshadows. I really like it, and I do like the compact size of this eyeshadow palette. I mean, I would call it an eyeshadow compact, really. Yeah, fair amount of product, and I think well curated, basic neutrals palette. Yeah, good. Happy with it. Looks just as good, if not better, than what I saw on the site, so I'm pretty happy. Next up, I picked up a couple of lip kits from the holiday collection. They were on sale for a pretty decent price. So let me just get this open. So there are 3 products in this package: a full-size lipstick, full-size lip liner, and what's the third one? Full-size lip gloss. So here is the full-size lip pencil, the lip gloss, which comes with a mirror, and there's a light, I'm pretty sure, when you open it. Is there a light in this one? Oh no, there isn't. Okay, there was one in in the other one that I got around Christmas, unless the light in this one doesn't work, which is possible. Let's see here. See how this works. Is that ever weird? Why does this not come out? This plastic piece is it's stuck. Whoop! Ah, there we go. It was protecting the light. I have to put this back together. That was weird. So it has a light in it, and when you put it back in, the light should turn off. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I'm not sure why the plastic was stuck underneath, but anyway, it's a very nice gloss color, and there is also the lipstick. And these are called gourmand lipsticks, and the packaging, it's a nice heavy packaging. They are made in Canada, which I think is awesome. I can't remember if the gloss is made in Canada. I thought it was Italy. Yeah, the gloss is made in Italy. And the pencil, I'm all over the place. The pencil is in Bourgogne, and it is made in Germany. So Germany, Italy, and Canada. It's all over the place. It's multinational. Let's talk about these. Okay, so let me just get a little organized. So this is the lip pencil, as I said, in Bourgogne. Let's just swatch that. And then we have the lip gloss that is in Natural Shine. So I'm going to swatch that with that clubbing light. I think it's hilarious that there's a light and a mirror on the side of the gloss, but I guess a gloss is more for on the go, so that's kind of neat. And then this beautiful lipstick. Look at that, right? And that is in Sweet Berries. I'm going to put that right between the lip pencil and gloss. And that is the trio of products for this Berries collection. What do they call this one? The Sweet Berry collection. So again, lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. And I am pretty happy with all 3 of those. And I did pick up a second one of these sets. I'm going to show you that one as well. And this one is called the Coral collection. So very different from the Berries collection. And this particular set I'm not going to swatch, but I will show you the products. So this one is, the pencil is pain d'épices, so spice bread. That's what it looks like. And it has this lip gloss called Top Model, which is a nice kind of peachy gloss. And then this lipstick that is called Gingerbread. So gingerbread actually for the lip gloss and the lipstick is the same name. And Lise Watier lipstick components are, like I said, really, really nice in my opinion. And the lip gloss, actually, I will swatch that one, and I will swatch it right next to this one because they do look somewhat similar. So let's do that. And there's that same weird plastic thingy. Oh, this one actually, I was able to pull out, and now it activates the light without yanking the brush out, so that's good. All right, so that one, the other one might have just been a fluke. Oh, and this one is far more opaque than the other one, which I think is interesting. See how the difference? The one that is in the Coral collection is a lot more opaque than in the Sweet Berries collection. Go figure. Okay, interesting. But the other, the lip liner and lipstick are earmarked for a friend of mine, so I'm not going to be swatching those two, and definitely not keeping it for myself because Coral does not tend to be a color that I would wear, although a gloss, absolutely. So and I don't have very much in Lise Watier lip products in general, so I'm quite happy to have a chance to try another gloss. And now for the last item in this overall haul for Lise Watier, there was a gift with purchase, and it's a bunch of samples and a couple of deluxe size products. So let's take a look at that. And as far as I can tell, when Lise Watier as a brand does a gift with purchase, they do a pretty good job. This one is a high hydration probiotic serum that I will try. A Lise Watier Oh My Grip. This is the, what's it called, primer, 4-in-1 primer. I'll try that. And also a Lise Watier set of cleansers. So it looks like it's a packet of a few different cleansers. And there are a couple of different cleansing products. Hopefully the camera can show you. So one of them is a deep cleansing oil, and the other one is a cooling cream foam cleanser. So very happy about that. I'll get to try a couple of the cleansers from the brand. And there's more stuff in here. A couple of skincare products, I think. This one is a, oh nice, deep cleansing oil as a nice size cleansing oil. Isn't that part of what's in here? Yeah, deep cleansing oil. So there's a deep cleansing oil here, and then there's a cooling cream foam cleanser, but there's also this one, so go figure, okay? And then there's also this Magnifique, which is a makeup fixative. I don't know why they used fixative. It's a setting spray. And there's a whole 65 ml in here, and in the cleansing oil there's 47 ml. So those two are pretty good size products. And there's more stuff still. There is this Age Control Supreme, which is a deep hydration, radiance, density, and firmness cream, I'm guessing. It says for 60 plus. So they like to put ages on their skincare products. And oh, it looks like a very, very tiny amount based on the ring light. That's as much product as I'm getting. And it says 3 ml, but the size of the container is very deceptive in my opinion. It's a tiny, tiny amount of product. Okay, well, I'll try it, no problem, even though I don't fit the 60 plus, but cream is cream, no big deal. So this box is empty. And the last product is a, what's it called? Charbon, which means coal. It's a coal-colored pencil. It's a pencil that I have, so I'm not going to swatch it. It would be wrong to muck up a brand new product. So a coal pencil in the color coal. And I do very much like the Lise Watier pencils. If you like the Urban Decay formula, you would definitely like these. I have a bunch of minis and a few full size from this brand, and I think that they are very good. And I'm a big fan of Urban Decay, and to say that they are neck and neck is to say something about the quality of this product. And these are made in Germany. So there you go. And I think it was the lip pencil is also made in Germany. Is that right? Yep, made in Germany as well. So there you go. Their pencils come from Germany. That is it for my Lise Watier haul. Let me know what you think of what I decided to purchase from the brand. Do you have some favorites? Do you have some where you're wondering, why did I pick it up? Let me know what you think. I look forward to hearing from you. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.